In this tutorial, I'll show you how to share Google Drive files and folders with a link. By the end, you'll generate a shareable link in Google Drive, choose who can access it, set the correct permission level, copy the link, and share it confidently. First, open Google Drive. In your browser, go to your Google Drive and wait for your files and folders to load so everything is visible on screen. Next, right-click the file or folder you want to share. You should see a context menu appear beside the item you selected. Now, click Get Link. This opens the sharing window where you can control who can use the link and what they can do with the file or folder. Under General Access, choose the level of access you want. If you select Restricted, only people you explicitly invite will be able to open the link. This is the most private option and helps prevent the link from being opened by anyone else. If you select anyone with the link, anyone who has the link will be able to open it without signing in. Use this when you need to share the file or folder broadly or with people outside your organization. Take a moment to confirm you've chosen the right option for your situation before moving on. Once you've set general access, choose the permission you want to grant. Set it to viewer if people only need to open and read the file or the folder's contents. Use commenter if you want them to leave comments or suggestions without changing the actual content. Choose editor only if you fully trust the recipients to make changes, move items, or delete content. Editor access gives full control, so pick it carefully to avoid accidental edits or deletions. Check the permission matches what you intend to allow. Next, click Copy Link. You'll see a confirmation that the link has been copied to your clipboard. This is the exact link that matches the access and permission settings you just chose. Finally, share the link. Paste it into an email, a chat message, a document, or wherever your recipients will see it. Before you send it, quickly review that you selected the correct general access and permission so recipients have the right level of access from the start. If you chose Restricted, remember that only people you invite will be able to open the link. If you chose anyone with the link, anyone who receives the link can open it. At this point, the link is ready, the access level is set, and your Google Drive file or folder can be opened exactly as you configured. Yet your sharing setup is now complete and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.